In previous lesson, I discussed how you can start working with R programming with the help of Google Colab. Now let's understand how we can create variables. Before I start working with variables, I would like to give you a quick introduction to how you can make use of R to perform the calculators sort of operations. For example, if you want to add numbers, you can directly add two numbers. You can perform multiplication. The previous operation is still going on and we have got the result, and you can see I have multiplied two numbers, and you can click on code to create a new cell. And now over here, let's see how we can perform division. So you can see the division result is the real division because the result is 3.5, as you can see over here. And let's see how we can perform exponents operation. 6 raised to power 2 gives us 36, and modulus is calculated with 9 ampersand and ampersand. Let's suppose I wanted to perform this division by 5, so it returns us modulus 4. So this is how you can perform simple operations which are something like calculator operations. And now let's see how we can create variables. So in order to create variables, you can make use of different methods. For example, you can give the variable name, right? This is the variable name. Let's suppose prices, and you can make use of equals to operator or left arrow operator. So I'm going to use left arrow operator because this is the convention of creating actually assigning values to the variable name. Basically, R programming is designed, or it is basically derived from S programming, wherein variables were assigned values with the left arrow operator. So then after when R was introduced, it became conventions to assign values to the variable with left arrow. So you should use left arrow in order to assign values to the variable, and you can pass the value, and then if we will check the value of the price by pressing shift and enter, you can see it executes the command and gives us the result, which is 4. Now you can also create variables. For example, you can declare multiple variables. For example, you can assign same value to two variables in single statement, and over here you will see that the values of A and B is 10 because you assigned 10 to both the A and B variable. So this is another way of declaring the variables. Now we also have a function, a sine function, which can be used to declare variable and assign the value at the same time. For example, you want to declare a variable C with value 10. You can do so and execute this statement, and now if you will check the value of C, it is 10. So we can make use of assign, but it is not something which is very practical to declare variables, but often you would find situations where you can make use of declaring variable or declaring object this way, but this is not something which is very practical. You would always be using this kind of notation or this kind of notation to declare the variables. So we discussed how we can declare variables in R.